Hello everyone, my name is Paulo, this is BelgoTours, and today I'm going to show you the Royal Saint-HUBERT Galleries. Inaugurated in 1847, the Royal Saint-HUBERT Galleries are considered as one of the most beautiful designs of the 19th century. Master architect was Jean-Pierre Clusenart, whose mission was to create a proper environment for the upper class. These galleries were so exclusive that you even have to pay to come inside. Today, this Italian Cinquecento masterpiece is home to many shops and entertainment venues, and it's considered to be the world's first ever galleries. These structures are divided in three: the Queen's, the King's, and the Prince galleries. You can also find the Royal Theatre and the Gallery Cinema, both original from the 19th century. This elegant and prestigious complex is inspired by Italian palaces. It is also covered from start to finish by a glass roof with a metal frame, sheltering visitors whatever the weather. Some 6 million people visit the Royal Saint-HUBERT Galleries every year. Tourists and Brussels locals see it as an enjoyable place to stroll and shop all year round. So the Royal Galleries are definitely a highlight that you cannot miss. If you want to know more about the Royal Saint-HUBERT Galleries, book now in our website.